How to remove professional account on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can remove professional account on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to remove professional account on Instagram, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch your Instagram application. Now if I come to the profile page, you can tell that I have a professional account because you can see all the dashboards and stats. So what do you do if you want to actually switch to personal account and remove professional account? Well, it's very simple. You can tap the three lines option from the top right and then just go to settings. After that, you can just navigate to account. Once you've done that, go to the option called switch account type and then select the option called switch to personal account. Now business account or creator account is also professional account, so you don't want to do that, but you want to select switch to personal account here, and it will give you a little pop-up when you switch back to a personal account in app insight, so everything will get turned off. So you can tap the switch to personal account option in order to remove professional account on Instagram. This way you can remove a professional account on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.